Welcome to Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with Bose Centerpoint Premium 10-speaker surround sound audio system, OnStar and Chevrolet Connect emergency communication system, preferred equipment group 1LZ, navigation, forward automatic braking, ventilated front seats, Sirius XM satellite radio, power folding and adjustable heated outside mirrors, garage door transmitter, roof-mounted luggage rack and side rails,
and has less than 85,000 miles on the odometer.
saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests, and we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.